Hey everyone, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to remove your follower on Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you have been looking to remove a follower, here's how. Alright, so first of all, launch the Duolingo app on your device. Alright, so after that, tap on your profile icon and that. And after that, view the followers, tap on the follower to see who following you. Alright, so just tap on the follower you wish to block to open their profile. Alright, so just scroll down and tap the block button. So note that blocking a user prevents them from following you, viewing your progress, or interacting with you on Duolingo. So just tap on block user. They will not be able to follow you or see your profile. So just tap on block. And that's it. As you can see, our follower is back to zero. And that's it. Now you know how to manage or delete your follower on Duolingo. If you have any issues, let me know. Thanks for watching and take care.